Did you know that back in the day, your grandpa could buy a whole gallon of gas for just 25 cents? Today, that same quarter might not even buy you a single piece of bubble gum. Why is your money shrinking? In this video, I am going to show you exactly how this invisible thief called inflation is stealing from your piggy bank, and more importantly, how you can actually beat it. Stick around because by the end, I will share the one secret about the money printer that even most adults do not understand. Imagine you are in a classroom with 10 friends, and there is only one delicious chocolate bar left at the snack stand. Normally, everyone has exactly $1, so the price of that chocolate is $1. But suddenly, the teacher walks in and gives every single student an extra $10. Now everyone feels rich, right? Wrong, because there is still only one chocolate bar. Everyone starts shouting, "I will give you $2. No, $5. No, $10. Suddenly, that same chocolate bar costs $10 just because there is more money chasing the same stuff. That is inflation in a nutshell. But wait, it gets even crazier. You might think, okay, so things get more expensive, big deal. But have you ever wondered why your parents always complain about the price of eggs or milk? It is because when the price of one thing goes up, it usually starts a giant domino effect. If the gas for the delivery truck costs more, the bread in the back of the truck has to cost more too. It is like a never-ending game of tag where the prices are always it, and your wallet is trying to run away. Now here is where it gets really interesting. You might be asking yourself, why can we not just stop printing money? Or even better, why can we not just make everything cost 1 penny again? Well, if we did that, the entire world might actually break. Stay tuned for just a second, because I am about to explain the scary reason why a little bit of inflation is actually a good thing for your future job. See, if prices never went up, or if they actually went down, nobody would ever buy anything today. You would just wait until next week or next year because it would be cheaper then. If nobody buys anything, stores close, and people lose their jobs. The people in charge try to keep inflation at a tiny 2%. It is like the perfect temperature for a bath. Not too hot to burn your savings, but not too cold to freeze the whole economy. So, how do you protect your hard-earned allowance? You have to put your money to work in places where it grows faster than the prices go up. Most people just hide cash under their mattress, and that is actually the biggest mistake you can make. You want to own things that become more valuable over time, like a piece of a great company or a bit of land. We covered a lot today, from the chocolate bar auction to the giant money domino effect. If you now understand inflation better than most grown-ups, do me a huge favor. Smash that like and subscribe button right now for more awesome content. It helps the channel grow and ensures you never miss a trick to stay ahead of the game. I will see you in the next one.